everybody. Welcome to the Tribal Nations Botanical Research Collaborative training video. The Tribal Nations Botanical Research Collaborative is a cooperation between Arizonan tribal nations, the U.S. Forest Service, and researchers like me at Northern Arizona University. We are interested in collecting data on plants traditionally used by Arizonan tribes on public lands. And you can help us with this effort by going out and taking pictures of plants. So I just wanted to demo how we use this app to make observations. First, you open the app on your smartphone, and then you need to find a species to observe. Now with plant species, it's really important that you make observations of plants that are in fruit or flower. And that's just because that's how many botanists identify certain species of plants. So right here, I have a little species of aster, Aster ACE. It's actually an erigeron. And I am going to take an observation. Now within the when you open up your iNaturalist application, you can just hit the observe button, and then we can proceed to taking pictures of the plants. It will automatically open your camera up. So you're going to want to take a couple of different pictures. You're going to want to get a picture of the flower. That's really important for identification. You hit the next button after you take your photo, and the plus button here to take additional photographs. You're going to want to get a picture of the entire plant. So you want to get its growth form. That also helps us to identify plants. And then you're going to want to get a nice close-up of its leaves. Now, if this plant had any other identifying features that were of interest, like thorns or I don't know, some interesting coloring on the stem or hairs in particular places, get a picture of those features too, because chances are those will help with our identification. Once you're ready to look into this observation a little further, hit the share button, and that is going to upload it to the iNaturalist website. Now, in this case, I'm actually out in nature, kind of away from good connectivity. So it's hard for me to upload this particular observation at this time, but I can show you some of the other identifications that I've made out there. And this is true for all of you as well. If you are away from internet access or cell phone service, you can always wait till later to upload these observations. But I can show you here. Here's an observation of a little plant. What you do if you want to get someone to suggest, if you want to get the iNaturalist platform to suggest an ID, you hit on this little button here that looks like a call icon, and it will say down here at the bottom, suggest ID. And the cool thing is it's actually really pretty good at its guesses. So you can look through this list, and it actually wasn't this Pachera multibiloba, it was a different species of Pachera that I ended up selecting. But you would select one of these, and then that will ship out. After you've done that, you hit save, and that will ship that observation out to the iNaturalist community. And the community consists of all different types of people, amateur botanists, professional botanists, and they'll be able to help confirm that identification for you. And that is really all there is to it. So if you want to, please join us and get out into nature, start taking pictures, and help us learn more about traditionally used plants on public lands.